Okay, we're at 81 Gateway Court, Military Road, here with Paul and the Cold Star crew. We've got Stephen, we've got Peter, Justin, and we're just stepping through the adjusted plan for the car park ventilation. Everything is staying the same on that side of this beam until this flange point. The flange is where those two pieces are bolted together. This piece is being removed and it's being changed into a ductwork that is 1,000 wide, so 1 metre, and it's only 200 in height. So this will be an angled piece, and it's also angling up. It's angling up. It'll go up so that it's hard across this point of the ceiling here, and it's going to be pushed. The ductwork is going to be pushed to the left or hard against that wall to that downpipe there. We can't move that downpipe, so the ductwork is going to be hard against that. It's going to be 1,000 wide, 200 high. So this light will need to be moved to the side, and this will need to be moved. This is wireless.
And that light as well.
Oh, and that light there will need to be moved this way as well. So once it gets to the ceiling up there, it's just going to be straight. It's then going to dip down again to this beam here, so there'll be an adjustment down to the beam. It's staying the same width, and then from this, the height of this beam along, it just goes straight. So this beam is about 2.4 metres in height. So the ductwork will be 200 mil low, so it'll be 2.2 in height from the floor to the bottom of the ductwork. And we've measured the car park entrance. The car park entrance is 2 metres. So nothing will be lower than the car park entrance of 2 metres. So it will be 2.2 metres here. Now we do have an option here that we can angle the ductwork up again, but we don't see, the only reason we would do that is aesthetics. So to keep it simpler and more straightforward installation and cheaper, we're just going to go straight along here. So the ductwork will be under here, so that's about 2.4 metres there again. So it'll come under 2.2 metres in height, all the way along here. It'll come to basically just this side of this beam, and then turn and go straight up there, along here, and it'll just be set at, I think it goes up into that.
Hard up, yep.
It'll be angled up, hard up against this beam here. This is being removed, it's currently disconnected, and so we'll continue up. This is about 2.4 metres again, so there'll be 2.2 metres in height there. Then once it gets to this side of the beam, it will be angled up again and then essentially the fan design will come up here, and it'll be reasonably, it'll be above this point here. But this fan position is not that different to the previous design, is that right?
The position, the whole style is just sort of moved out and across. Yeah, there is a couple extra pieces.
And then the end of the fan will be about here.
No, the end will be about there. Yeah.
So not on this side of that beam, on this side of that beam. That it? That's it. So that's the plan.
And what's happening with the pricing?
With the pricing, they're working out what adjustments can be made. Stephen's seeing if he can get some pricing for the approximately 28 linear metres of new ducting that needs to be manufactured. And Cold Star will go to give us a breakdown of the costs.
And just let them know that the thickness of the material will change from 1.1 mil to 0.9, which is not a problem with code or anything else, it's just to keep the costs obviously cheaper for you guys as well.
And that's it. Thank you.